Hey, we're Brothers Make, and for day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas, we're going to give you some quick workshop tips for marking out.
Okay, so for the first tip we're going to give you is how to mark parallel lines on wood, and there's a few ways to do it, both really simple. The first one is to use a pair of calipers. You can lock these at any measurement you like, and then you can use this to kind of score a line on the wood by referencing off one jaw on the side of your piece of work. The second way you can do is just using a pen. You can use a pencil or a marker, it doesn't really matter, and you actually use your fingers as the reference surface. So I just hold my fingers against the side of the wood and I draw a parallel line all the way down, and as long as you keep your fingers locked in the same position, you'll always get a straight line. It's a really common tip, but lots of people see this and wonder how it's done. So you're just holding your fingers against the side, parallel line, a couple of practices and you should be able to get it fairly easy. Okay, so for this tip we're marking more parallel lines, but this time on wider pieces of wood. So on this piece where my calipers just aren't going to reach the centre, or it's going to be really uncomfortable for me to use my fingers, you can actually use a tape measure. It's a really common trick. You can lock your finger at whatever measurement you want, and you reference the pen or the marker against the front of the tape measure. So I hold it there, and I come down, and that's going to be parallel to this surface just here, and I can make repeated lines, just doing exactly the same trick. And I can use that for pretty much any rough marking out techniques you need.
Okay, so for these marking out tips, we're going to show you how to mark out circles. So the most common way of doing this is the old string. So you get one end, wrap around the nail in the wood already. Beautiful. Other end, get your pencil, wrap around the string as well, and then you can draw a decent enough arc. But the only problem with this, we do find sometimes, is it sort of slips. If you're doing a whole circle, you sort of, by the time you come back around again, you've kind of gone off the mark. So a good way of coming around this is with the old chain. So pin that into the wood, and this way you can just choose which link you want to use, and it's a little bit more accurate than the string because it doesn't tend to slip nearly as much. And you want to go a slightly bigger circle, you just go through a slightly bigger link, and so on.
Thanks for watching this video, hope you found it helpful. Check out tomorrow for day 3 of Triton's 12 Days of Christmas.
Cheers guys.